Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So, thumbs up right away, and I'm going to give you the word of the day right now. Have you taken some time out for yourself lately? You know, where you just pamper you. No, you don't pamper anybody else. You don't do nothing for nobody else because that day it's all about you. Well, you deserve it. And so plan a day where you can do that for you. Figure out what you want to do for you, how you want to do it, and even if you have to budget it in, go ahead, because when you restore you, you can then restore others. Now that's a good word of the day. Okay, so we're going to make some broccoli Alfredo. I already cooked the egg noodles. Okay, and I got the bag of egg noodles from Dollar Tree for $1. I used a half a bag, so we're 50 cents into the egg noodles. I have some Alfredo sauce that I got from the Dollar Tree, which is $1. Okay, and then we're going to add some other items that I already have here. We're going to definitely be adding some scallops. You know, I did a shopping haul and I got some scallops, and so I'll tell you how much scallops that we're using and the cost of that. So come on, join me, let's do it. Thank you. Thumbs up please. Thank you. So I have here 1 head of broccoli. So I want to tell you how to buy broccoli. So when you pick up the broccoli and it feels heavy, pick up another one, and the lighter the feel is, the cheaper it's going to be for you when you get to the scale. Okay, so remember that. So it doesn't matter how big it looks and all of that. The weight when you pick it up is what you want to determine your cost. Okay, so in this case, this one cost 80 cents for this head of broccoli. Alright? Okay, so now I'm going to just cut it up. Wrong knife. So I'm going to cut it into pieces like this. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to cut that up and I'll bring you right back. Okay, so I have everything prepared. I cut the broccoli and cooked it already. This is the scallops that I cut up. This is $3 worth of scallops that I cut into pieces. Okay, it was about maybe 8 or 9 pieces of scallops. And this is 1 chicken thigh that I cut up. I cooked and cut up. Okay. So now let's start compiling things. Put a little oil in the pan. Turn the fire on. I'm going to add the chicken. I have my egg noodles here. So see, I only used half of the package of egg noodles. I have the other half left. Okay? So when you cook, you don't want to use all of nothing. Try to save some for another meal. I'm going to just heat up this chicken. Okay, now I want to add the noodles now. And the Alfredo sauce. I'm going to pour half the can first. The scallops. The broccoli. So I can see right away that I need some more Alfredo sauce. So I'm going to add the rest of the sauce. Then I'm going to add a little water to the can. Clean the can out. Okay, now I want to add a little garlic. And some grated cheese. A little salt. Salt substitute I'm using. You can use regular salt. Black pepper. Oh, this is looking good, guys. Really looking good. So the chicken thigh that I cut up was left over from the other night. Okay, let me taste and see what I'm missing. I think I'm missing a little salt. Okay, I want to taste it one more time. I know I need onion, granulated onion. Let me put that in there. Look how much this yields on just a half a bag of egg noodles. Okay, let me get another fork and taste. Want some more cheese. Okay. I'm cutting the fire off. I'm going to let that sit and rest a minute. And then I'm going to come back and taste it because I'm not satisfied with the taste. It seems like I'm missing something. So give me 2 minutes to taste that and see what I'm missing. Okay, I'm going to taste it again. I think I want to add 2 packs of stevia. Okay, you can use regular sugar or no sugar, it's up to you. Okay, let me get a fork. Now let's see. Okay, I like that much better. It was definitely tasting bland, and it didn't need no more salt, but it needed something. And so when I put the 2 packs of stevia in there, that did the trick. Okay, let me plate that up and present it to you. Okay, so I plated it up for you, and let's put a little paprika on there for color. Look at that. How about that, huh? Okay, I like to get in the picture. Okay. Okay, so let me taste. I have some egg noodles and a piece of scallop here. Scallop is juicy. Have some chicken here. Oh, delicious. I love it. It's the flavor I'm looking for. So good. Okay, so the one chicken thigh that was actually left over, 51 cents from my chicken haul. Remember, I bought 40 pounds of chicken legs. Well, this is one of the thighs from that 40 pounds. And the packaging came out to 51 cents a piece of chicken. I did a package of scallops, which was about 7 or 8 scallops, and that was $3. The Alfredo sauce was $1 at Dollar Tree. The egg noodles was a half a bag, which I showed you, so that was 50 cents, and that was from Dollar Tree. I paid $1 for the bag. The broccoli was 80 cents. So that comes out to $5.81 for the meal for a family of 4. That's a good deal. Okay, for scallops, chicken, and broccoli, the pasta. You can't go wrong with that. Okay, $5.81. Family of 4, and I'm sure you'll have some leftovers. Okay, you can go ahead and give this a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon, okay? Thumbs up it. Thanks.